I'm voting for home because home is everything. If you think about home, think about how important that is for your children, for your well-being, for being able to access things like education and do all the things that you need to do to improve your life.
I'm voting for home because social homes help release people from the constraints of poverty.
I'm voting for home because I want a secure, long-term way for people to be able to put down roots in their community.
I'm voting for homes because we must make sure that everyone can access a decent, affordable home.
I'm voting for home because my children and future generations deserve a Wales where they can put down roots, belong, thrive, and can look to a future where homelessness was a thing of the past.
I'm voting for home because we have a moral responsibility to make sure everyone has a safe and secure home.
I'm voting for home because everybody in Wales deserves the right to a decent and affordable home.
I'm voting for home because I want to give more families and young people a firm foundation to plan for the future.
I'm voting for home because it's only right that everyone has a decent and affordable place to call home.